Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Jalissa. Today I'm going to be getting ready with you guys. I'm going to be doing some curls to my hair. I am first going to blow it out and then I'm going to curl it and then I'm going to do my makeup. So let's get right into it. I'm going to show you guys how I've been using the Shark Flexstyle lately to blow out my hair, do some curls. Kind of have like this routine going on that I'm really liking, so I wanted to share that with you guys. I'm going to start with this product. This is the Knoll Concentrated Hair Serum. I just apply about 2 pumps, maybe a little bit more, so about that much. It's a serum and it feels like kind of like a skin care serum, so it feels really nice. So I'm just applying that mainly on my ends. I'm gonna divide my hair into a couple of sections and then I'll be back and we'll do the next step. So we're gonna start with this section right here. I'm gonna spray a little bit of the Knoll Style Memory Lotion. So I like adding this section per section right before I put heat on my hair. It's gonna protect your hair from the heat and it's also going to give you so much shine. It's insane. This makes your hair so smooth. I have been loving this for my blowouts. I totally recommend checking it out. It is definitely one of my favorite products that they have. Then I just detangle my hair. Make sure I spread all the product with my Juli brush. If you want to buy one of my brushes, I'm gonna link it down below. We're actually almost all out and we only have 1 color left, so I am going to restock and bring more colors in the future, but we only have black left. If you want to check it out, I'll link it down below. But I love this brush for just like spreading all the product. It's so nice and it doesn't like pull my hair, it doesn't tangle my hair, so it's amazing for curly hair. So I'm just gonna start drying this section right here. I'm gonna put it in the highest heat setting, highest speed. So let's do it. I like to use the round brush attachment. By the way, bear with me. I know I've been filming in this setup for a couple weeks now. I'm actually fixing up my studio, so stay tuned. My studio is gonna look super nice and professional. I'm very excited about that. So yeah, hopefully the next video or the video after that is in my new studio, so stay tuned. But yeah, this is my mom's bathroom and I really appreciate that she's letting me film in here because my house is a bit of a mess right now. So yeah, it's really nice to come here and film my videos. But yeah, in-studio videos coming very soon. I don't know if that's something that you guys really care about too much, but I know that I really love filming in my studio. The quality of the videos are better, and just the lighting and the background. I love the white background. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so here's the first section. I love it. It looks so smooth, and look at that shine. These products are so good, like it looks so shiny. I'm gonna keep blowing out my hair and then I'll be back because I want to show you guys mainly how I curl my hair with this hair tool, and then I'm gonna do my makeup and then we're gonna get ready. So yeah, I'm just gonna blow it out first and then I'll be back. Alright guys, I am back and I just dried all my hair. So now I'm gonna do an extra step that I've been doing lately. I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna put this down to a regular looking blow dryer. So just like that, and I'm gonna add the nozzle attachment. So I'm gonna smooth out my edges a little bit. So I'm gonna turn this on. I'm gonna use a small brush. I'll link it down below. And I'm just smoothing out my edges. I like this nozzle attachment because it's a concentrated nozzle. The one that the Dyson Airwrap brings, I'm gonna put a video up here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. That one is just very big, and that attachment isn't really like a nozzle attachment. It's just basically like an air drying attachment. It's just for you to rough dry all your hair basically. So I love that this brings this nozzle attachment because it gives you a more concentrated dry and I'm able to fix my edges, so I love that. So I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna put this back up. And I'm going to start curling my hair with the curling barrels. So the key to having long-lasting curls with this hair tool is to clip each curl for at least 30 minutes. If you can do more, even better. Something else that I like to do, if it is like day 4 hair or maybe like day 3 hair, when I touch up my hair throughout the week, I'll add a little bit more of this spray on my hair. I'll just add a little bit on each section and it makes your hair look so nice and fresh and soft, shiny, and it kind of gives the curl a little bit of hold, so I love that spray for that as well. I let it curl for like 10 seconds and then I'll just bring it down. Wow, this gets very, very hot. It gets very hot. Woo! And there's one. I'm gonna do this one quickly and then I'll clip both of them. I like to bring my thumb up the curl. That's just like the easiest way for me to clip my hair and for the curl to stay the same and not ruin the curl. So I just bring my thumb up the curl. Ooh, and then just grab it and clip it. Super easy. Okay, so now I'm gonna do this side. Beautiful curl, love that. All right guys, I'm gonna let these set for about 30 minutes and I'm gonna do my makeup. So I'm gonna use this IT Cosmetics CC Nude Glow. This has SPF 40, which is so beneficial. Skincare in makeup is like one of my favorite things ever. This is in the shade medium tan and it gives you a very nice light coverage. So I use about that much. I'm gonna use their brush as well. IT Cosmetics has some of the best brushes out there for makeup, like hands down. I know they can be a little bit pricey, but they do have a sale going on right now and you are able to get everything on their website for 25% off, which is so nice. If you also spend more than $100, you get a nice free makeup bag and 4 free samples. So definitely take advantage of the 25% off that they're gonna have now on their website. I'm gonna link everything that I use down below. This video is in collaboration with IT Cosmetics. They actually sent me some stuff to try out. So yeah, I really love IT Cosmetics. I have been loving their stuff for years now. I have a very special place for IT Cosmetics in my heart. I mean, I know that sounds corny, but I actually did model for IT Cosmetics a couple years ago, so I'm gonna put some pictures right here. But yeah, I used to model for IT Cosmetics, and the day that I got engaged, actually in Jersey City in New Jersey, I did a photo shoot right before that for IT Cosmetics. So yeah, IT Cosmetics just has like a very special place in my heart and it just brings a ton of memories. Every time I see IT Cosmetics, I think about those days when I used to do those photo shoots in New Jersey and the day that I got engaged. So yeah, I love their CC creams. I've been using their products for years now and I just really love that it gives you such a natural glow. This is a very buildable product, so if you want more of a full coverage, you can just add a little bit more. And I'm actually gonna add a little bit of concealer. So this is the Bye Bye Under Eye, which is very popular. This concealer has been out for years now and it's so nice and full coverage, and I love that this brush has 2 brushes in one. So I'm going to use this one now for my under eyes. This is very full coverage. I think I put a little bit too much, but we're just gonna try and blend it out. But yeah, a lot of you guys ask me what I do to my makeup, and honestly I'm very, very simple when it comes to makeup. I don't do much to my makeup. I think I put way too much, but I'm just gonna apply some on this pimple that I got right here. And I'm just gonna try my best to blend this out, but wow, you only need a little tiny bit of that product. Like, look at how much I have left still. Gonna add a little bit of powder because I need it. I like to add a little bit of bronzer as well. I'll do my makeup in like 5 minutes. Have you seen that news anchor that's like viral right now on TikTok? She's gorgeous, by the way. But she does her makeup in like 5 minutes. That's me. I do my makeup in like 5 minutes. I am a sucker for blush. I love blush. Like, I just don't look alive without blush. So I always put blush. Sometimes I put a little bit too much, but it's fine. So now let's move on to eye makeup. I'm gonna use some of these IT Cosmetics Superhero No Tug Shadow Sticks. I'm gonna start with the Tenacious Tawny, and I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. Just going for it. Wow, that is pigmented. So I'm just gonna blend it out. I love how that looks already. You see how it just blends and it looks so natural. So I'm going to use this darker one just on the outer corner. So I'm just blending this a little bit. Now I'm going to add a little bit of that brown down here. All right, so here's the finished makeup. I love it. I love how like dewy my skin looks. I'm going to be linking all the products down below if you guys want to check them out. Take advantage of the 25% off going on right now on the It Cosmetics website. So yeah, let's take these off now. Look at that. Love it. Love that. And my curls are so soft. Okay, so my curls are looking super nice. I'm just gonna touch up the front because the curls in the front got a little bit crazy. So I'm just gonna touch it up with my blow dryer. Alright guys, here's the final look. I love how my hair turns out. I am just in love with this hair tool. I'm in love with these products that I used today to prep my hair before my blowout. I just can't believe that this hair tool is this good. So if you guys want to check it out, I'll link it down below. I think it is so worth it. My hair is very curly and sometimes it does not look this smooth with just a blowout. So I'm very impressed and very happy with the final look. I will say I probably will have to touch up my blowout maybe tomorrow with my blow dryer again, because since my hair is very curly, sometimes it does get a little bit frizzy. The waves start to come through. But if you wanted to use a straightener, I totally recommend using a straightener, maybe only at the roots, and then using the curling barrel to curl your hair. Thank you again for 100K subscribers. Thank you so much. This is like a dream come true. But yeah guys, I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye bye.